Good morning. I want to welcome you to session number 2 of Bytes to Bite. My name is Linda Watkins. I have my trusty helper here, Christine DeVore, today, as this gets to be a little complicated assembling all of this. Before we begin making our paninis today, I want to just give a shout out to all of you who are first responders, who are working in hospitals, nursing homes, who may be working in stores, grocery stores, truck drivers, bus drivers. I want to thank you. I want to let you know that you are in our thoughts and our prayers as you put yourself at risk and you put your families at risk. And it's a comfort to know that God is in control, and we're just praying a hedge of protection over you. Okay, today we're going to make a spicy turkey southwestern panini. Panini comes from an Italian word which means grilled sandwich. Now you can make a panini on your grill top of your stove, or you can use a panini press. I have a panini press here. This is a lunch option I offer the students on middle school and high school, and it is a second lunch option that they can purchase if they would like a panini. So today we're going to make one of the favorite ones that they seem to enjoy the most. Mrs. DeVore is going to go ahead. I'm going to give you the instructions on how to do that. First, we take your bread. Now you can use sourdough bread, or you can use a wrap, whatever you might want to use. Now I have a sourdough panini bread here. We're going to butter the one side of the bread with garlic butter, and then we're going to flip that over so that side of the bread is on the paper and or cutting board or whatever you might use. Then the next layer is going to be a layer of guacamole. Now the original recipe asks for hot mustard. I will not use that, so we're using a layer of spicy guacamole. The kids seem to enjoy that. On top of that, we're going to put cheese on both sides. Then we'll put just a little touch of the guacamole again, and then on top of that we will put our turkey. It says to use a blackened turkey. I use a 4-pepper deli turkey for my sandwiches. Instead of the blackened deli turkey is a little bit cheaper. After we put the turkey on, we are going to add a piece of jalapeno bacon, which is not in the original recipe, but it does give a little spice to it. So we'll go ahead and put your jalapeno bacon on just one side. And then we're going to take this other side and we're going to flip it over. And now you have your sandwich. So then we're going to take your sandwich and you're going to put it on a hot griddle or a hot panini press. Now you can make these sandwiches outside on the outside grill as well if you would like. You're going to grill this until the cheese melts. Then we're going to take it over to the cutting board and we will cut it for you. It doesn't take too long to grill. You don't want to take it too long on there because the cheese will come out and burn on the grill. So let's take a look at it and see where we're at. Might take a few minutes for this. A panini is a unique sandwich. You do not have to necessarily put meat and cheese in it. You can use roasted vegetables if you would like. You can use fruit in a panini if you would like. I've had a BLT panini in a wrap. You can also do a dessert panini. There are several different books out there. This recipe happened to come off of Pinterest. My first ever panini was over in Italy 2 years ago. Okay, so our panini is nice and golden brown. We do have the lines in it now. If you put it on the grill top, you will not have these lines, but you can buy panini bread that has the dark lines on it already. So then we're going to take it over to the cutting board. Christine's going to cut it for us. And when you display your panini or serve it to your family, you can put it on a plate with fresh fruit and or chips and a drink. So this is our spicy southwestern panini. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at Linda Watkins at newlifeacademy.org and we can talk about it. Another favorite panini is a cheeseburger panini, and that is something that you can work at home. I've decided this year that if your student or you as a parent come up with a good panini recipe, we'll have a contest. The TAs in the kitchen are the ones that taste test everything for me, and if it wins the contest, we will call it the NLA with your last name on panini. So we'll have our own unique panini next year on the program. Thank you, and tune in again now next week. Next week we will be making puppy chow on Wednesday, and I believe on Friday we will be making Mexican corn chowder. Thank you. How'd that come out?